India is nearing the final stages of approving Armenia's request to acquire Pralay surface-to-surface tactical ballistic missile. A missile with 290 km reach would permit Armenian forces to target strategic locations within potential adversary territory, thereby bolstering its national defense and deterrence posture. The Russian news agency TASS reported that production of Knyaz Vandal Novgorodsky FPV drone, controlled via fiber-optic cable, has begun in 3 Russian regions. These drones are designed for precision strikes and reconnaissance, using thin cable to transmit commands and high-resolution video between the drone and its operator. The Turkish company Havelsan announced that unmanned aerial vehicle BAHA has been officially inducted by Turkish Ministry of National Defense. Equipped with hybrid propulsion system, the electric version has an endurance of 2 hours, while fuel-powered variant offers an endurance of approximately 2.5 to 6 hours. The Chinese Shenyang J-35 stealth fighter has completed its first electromagnetic catapult launch aboard the aircraft carrier Fujian, marking a turning point in China's naval aviation capabilities. Although the Fujian has yet to achieve full operational status, its catapults allows launch of heavier and more sophisticated aircraft than ski jump carriers.